Hey, what's happening? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching. If you are looking for IT consulting, if you're a small business or maybe a medium-sized business and you're looking for IT consulting, I probably can help. There's a link below, www.direct.me/Kantav. You can get on my calendar at the links inside of that page for IT consulting. If you know someone that owns a business and they need IT consulting, I probably can help. Please send them my way. Also, I have an online course coming very soon to teach people how to break into IT. I'm specifically targeting individuals that are not in the industry that want to increase their income and go from maybe 50 or 60,000 a year to a six-figure income in IT. That course will be coming out relatively soon. I'll be teaching people and mentoring people in our group and helping folks do that. So please go to www.direct.me/Kantav, the link below this video. And reach out to me and connect. Also, if you like my content, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. And I'm also open to feedback of any other content that you think I might want to create for your viewing pleasure. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about what project management is. Now, there are a bunch of definitions on the internet. If you just do a simple Google search for what is project management, I'm going to talk about one particular definition that I happen to end up Googling. And then I'm going to explain what it is. So what is project management? This definition says project management is the application of processes, methods, skills, knowledge, and experience to achieve specific project objectives according to the project acceptance criteria within agreed parameters. Project management has final deliverables that are constrained to a finite timescale and budget. A key factor that distinguishes project management from just management is that it has this final deliverable in a finite time span, unlike management, which is an ongoing process. Because of this, a project professional needs a wide range of skills, often technical, and certainly people management skills and good business awareness. So what does this mean? Essentially, project management is a discipline. It is a framework that was developed to help run very large, complex projects with a lot of moving pieces. There is an association organization out there called the Project Management Institute, PMI. They have developed over the last several decades the project management professional body of knowledge. PMBOK is what I want to say. Project Management Book of Knowledge, PMBOK. It's the official project management document or book that talks about the framework of managing projects. There is a framework or process for managing projects end to end to get a desired outcome or result. There are two different types of project frameworks that I'll talk about. One is this waterfall method. So essentially, project management from a waterfall methodology perspective says that we're going to do all of our planning up front. We're going to gather all our requirements for what we need for the project. Requirements mean, what all the inputs that we're going to need for the project, what's all the information and the data and all the people and the resources, so we can develop a project plan and a schedule. And we're going to plan everything from jump, and we're going to put it in phases, and we're going to go through each phase 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in sequence. So we have to finish phase 1 first before we can go to phase 2. But if we don't finish all the deliverables required for phase 2, we can't go to phase 3. When I say deliverables are the things that the project is going to produce as agreed upon with whoever the stakeholders are. So we want to make sure that we are delivering whatever the end product is. And we want to make sure that whatever the outcome that we want, we're going to get that at the end of the project. The problem with waterfall is that it kind of sticks to this regimented framework where you have to do one thing in sequence and you can't change anything. And a lot of projects, a lot of organizations have moved away from that and are now moving into agile. So agile project management is a different form of project management in that we're not going to do everything in sequence, but we're going to iterate in pieces throughout the project. And we're going to make changes as we go along. And agile project management is really something for software development or product development. It's more along software development. For building applications, software applications is really what agile was defined for. But it takes a lot of regimentation out of the process of us doing the project. and doesn't confine us to doing things in sequence. So essentially what project management is we have a very large initiative, something that we want to do. It's temporary. It's one time. We want to do it, and we're going to plan it once and execute it once. And we have a finite amount of resources. We don't obviously have a lot of money. We don't have a lot of time, and the scope or the breadth or the size of what we have to do is very large. And we have to plan and coordinate all these activities and people to get that done. And maybe there's some, what we call dependencies, which means that, this project has to get done because it's dependent on X, or X is dependent on the project getting completed to help the business move forward and do something that the business needs to do. So when we think about project management, all we want to remember here is that we have a one-time endeavor or effort that we want to plan end to end. We have to put all the steps in sequence if we're doing a waterfall, or if we're doing an agile methodology of project management. We're going to change. We're going to have some steps, and we're going to do some things in sequence, but we're going to change as we go along. But at the end of the day, we're going to have a project plan and a schedule. We're going to have a start date and an end date, and we're going to have the final outcome and deliverables of what we want this project to produce, and that's going to be our goalpost. And essentially, project management is the overarching methodology that we apply to help get projects done, completed, and out the door. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next video.